Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Nadula here again. Alright, so this is the packaging. As you can see, I got a robe, branded Nadula. You know, they're always gonna send a robe. This box, which was in a drawstring bag, which is perfect for storage. The wig, of course, goodie bag, and this is the first goodie. It's a Nadula chain. How cute! So now let's get into the actual goodie bag. So there's a pair of HD wig caps, a set of press-on nails, and a branded elastic headband. Now this is today's wig. It's Nadula's 5x5 HD blender wig, glueless natural Yaki straight hair. It's pre-everything, okay? It's 180% in density. This is how the inside looks. It has the non-slip strips both on the removable elastic band and on the perimeter of the cap construction. There are also adjustable straps in the back, as you can see here, and the ear portion is curved so the wig cap can sit comfortably on your head. So love that. Always love when they do that curve on the cap. It makes everything more comfortable when it comes down to wearing a glueless wig. So I'm just adjusting the elastic band to my liking, to how snugged I want it to be on my head once I apply it. And as you can see, there's actually combs in the cap too, so that helps with security. Once I go ahead and put the wig on, I went straight to, you know, applying my wax, which I'm gonna use my hot comb, follow up with my hot comb to get the top really flat. And the hair was super easy to work with. Let me just go ahead and throw it out there immediately. Like, listen, super easy, definitely beginner friendly. I 10 out of 10 recommend to everybody that is a beginner, and even people that, you know, just don't want to be bothered with a lengthy wig application. Yeah, this is your wig and you're looking for a really nice Yaki straight texture. Yeah, this wig, it go on, love it. And it's a very manageable length as well. It's 24 inches long. I don't think I mentioned, but yeah, no, the density is 180%. It's definitely full enough. As you can see, it's not thin, it's not giving that, and it didn't shed a lot. So I'm very content with the quality so far. As you can see, as I said, it's a pre-everything wig, so it's pre-plucked, it's pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, all that good stuff. Because if you're noticing, you can see that the lace portion definitely is giving scalp. Okay, and I love that. Nadula is always upping their game, and I have to commend them on that. I feel like this texture is really just super natural looking and looks like a fresh blowout. So as you can see, I'm just camouflaging, well, further camouflaging the very front of the lace there with whatever little cast might be showing, just to make everything look a little bit more muted and realistic. And then I pretty much just jump into straightening the entire wig to make it look really nice and bone straight. Now, if you want, you could go ahead and rock it just as it came out of the box, but I wanted to get it more of a like bone straight vibe, so I definitely went in with my flat iron to do so. this is it. I'm all done with flat ironing that. Look at the movement. It's like butter. Yeah, definitely going in with the flat iron can just refine everything, basically. It is gorgeous. It's full, glueless. Let's not forget that. I had to do the rat tail comb test just to let you know, in case you forgot or if you didn't trust. Yeah, absolutely no adhesive on that. The hair is a 10 out of 10. Would recommend. You know, I love the feel of it. It's like so realistic. They did their thing. If you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, the direct link to it will be in my description box. Any discounts, any sale going on, that will be listed. That's it. Oh, and I made sure to go ahead and part within the lace area just so you can be sure of how much space there is to work with. But yeah, that's how we're looking. That's it. That's all for now. That's what today's wig look is giving. If you like this video, if you found it informative, go ahead and give me a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.